QuickBooks Error 1618. 3 Quick Solutions. Solution 1. Run QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1. Close QuickBooks and open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 2. If you don't have it, download and install it from the official website. Step 3. In the Tool Hub, select Installation Issues. Step 4. Then, select QuickBooks Install Diagnostic Tool and the tool can run up to 20 minutes. Step 5. When the tool finishes, restart your computer. Step 6. Open QuickBooks and see if the error is resolved. Solution 2. Close MSIEXEC.EXE running in the background. Step 1. Press Ctrl+Alt+Delete and select Task Manager. Step 2. In the Processes tab, click the Image Name column to alphabetize the list of running processes. Step 3. Locate MSIEXEC.EXE processes, right-click on it, and select End Task. Step 4. Once done, close the Task Manager. Solution 3. Reinstall the Microsoft runtime libraries via the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. Step 1. Visit the official website and download Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. Step 2. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file, and the installation wizard will open. Step 3. Check the I agree to the terms and conditions box and click on Install. Step 4. Click on Yes to allow the app to make changes. Step 5. Once the setup is successful, click Close. Step 6. Now, try to update the QuickBooks. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902988 +44 800 0548 150.